Okay, guten Abend. Wie geht es euch allen? So, welcome to this today stream for the Schreiben. So yesterday we discussed about Schreiben Tel Dry, and today we are going now to do the basics of Tel Eins. So let us start. Let us start. So the first question I usually get is tell us the structures. So tell us the structure or the architect of. So tell us. So question number one. Tell us the structure of B1 Schreiben Tel Eins. So tell us the structure. So number one, the first question, yes, always how I respond. So before you write the B1 Schreiben, make sure you have your well advanced template. So before you, so let me zoom, before you write your Tel Eins Schreiben, make sure you have your template. So what is a template? You can respond on the chat box. What is a template? So a template is like a civil resume, a template. So what is the meaning of template? If you check in your dictionary, what does a template mean? If you check in your dictionary, it's like a civil, a template has already written materials. So how can I say? So for instance, so in layman's language for you to understand, it's like a CV or resume cover letter. It's like a CV. Yes, a CV or a resume cover letter, which you can edit, or customize. So what does customize means? If you know, yes, Patricia, what does customize means? So you can edit according to your need. You can customize according to your need, according to your need, how you want it. So what is the importance? What is the importance? So what is its importance? So suppose you want to minimize errors. So when you want to minimize errors, any error in writing, your grammatic is not good. So there are some words which you can do what? You can go with in exam. There are some words which you can go in with in exams. So that means that you will minimize error and you will also have a uniform way of writing. I don't want the issue that you start. I don't want the issue that you start and you cancel, you start and you cancel. So that's issue I don't want. Where you start and you cancel, start and they cancel. So number two, number two. So number two. So another thing is what is a component? What is a component? So a component, a component is a, so what is a component? A component is a building block of, a component is a building block of a template. So for example, I want to make my resume. So what will I do? I will go to the website, or if not even resume, a poster. Let me say a poster. So if I want to make a poster, see where I will go. Just follow me where I will go. Just follow me. So I will go to my wall. There's this website, poster my wall, or you can go to Canvas and then you choose. You do what? You choose any type, you choose any what? You choose any poster that you want, and then you do what? You customize. You do what? You customize. So let us choose one. So suppose in our church we have a acacia. So we search here. In our church we have acacia. I will search here. Church event. A template. So I will be using a template for church event. So let's see. There are some posters. So I can take this one or I can take this one. So let me take this one. So this one I can customize. So or I can edit according to my need. So suppose you don't want to start from scratch. You want to save time. You don't want to start from scratch and you want to save time. What do? You use what we call a template. So from here, only the date I will say we are in March. So only March. June will be changed to March. June will be changed to March. Then I will make it fit there like that. Then the year is not 2025, but it is 2026. So that's how. And then this picture, I can change mine, the name of my church, like the name of my church, and also put my logo. So similarly, in Schreiben module, you can copy the same aspect. You can copy the same aspect. So let's continue. You can copy the same aspect. So number one. So do you remember the coherence? Do you know, remember the coherence? So, question number 2. So, what what are the components components Schreiben module? So, what are the components? So, number 1 is unread heading, and this heading should not have verbs on it. Then should be not more than eight words. Example, e.g. neue Computer, Ausbildung, Ausbildungsmesse, we have Reis nach, These are the ones which will come, or I just revise what is on real time. What will come on real time. So after unread, you go to so adjectives and nouns are used. So adjectives, just a minute. Adjectives and nouns. Adjectives just a minute.